So I just got home from testing out the Vision Pro, and the thing that stood out to me was the immersive video. So I had to check out some videos of it. My first impression was that it wasn't really for games, but for animation and film, it is perfect. So I thought to myself, and then I had the idea. What if I took the animations that I made in Unity and I port them over to the Vision Pro for immersive video? And that's exactly what I did. I got my computer, I started playing around with different things, and then I was able to create some interesting experiences that I got to sit down in my living room and actually check out in real life. Since I designed a cardboard headset called Analog AR, all I needed was my phone. I just popped that into the actual headset, put it on my face, and the hands-free experience, much like the Vision Pro for immersive video, was at the tip of my fingertips. It was a great experience for sure, and then I definitely took it outside so that I can test it out in the actual real world. The best way I could think about it is taking the immersive world and putting it in the real world to make the real world even more immersive. It's sort of a layer upon layer type of thing. And that's what I do as a creator, and I was able to do that with this project as well.
With that, I was able to do 3 different demos of videos that I did in the high definition render pipeline, and then I ported those over to the universal render pipeline for use in augmented reality. And it was a success. And that's all I could say about it. It was very much a success. I thought that it was going to break my phone. The APK files were around 250 to 300 megabytes, which are significantly higher than what I'm normally used to, but it worked. And that's the thing that I appreciate about it, is that it worked. It worked very well. So I hope to do more stuff with it. And if you're so inclined, check out my work with Island Fever. Check out my virtual reality book that I did with Pact Publishing, which is Enhancing Virtual Reality Experiences with Unity 2022. And check out my low-cost augmented reality headset called Analog AR. And hopefully I'll continue to make interesting little experiences that allow you to do some interesting stuff with. So